Hello everyone, today we'll take a look at the best dehumidifiers on the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I'll try to help you find the one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices and find out more information, you can check out the links in the description below. Our list at number 1. Midea 1500 square feet Energy Star Certified Dehumidifier. 1500 SQ. FT. Dehumidifier. This Midea dehumidifier is able to remove 22 pints of moisture a day and adjust humidity from 35% to 85%. Perfect for use in the basement, bathroom, bedroom, office, kitchen, cellar, or crawl space. Maintaining a healthy 45%-55% humidity range has never been easier. Quiet and Energy Star certified, with a low BA output, this dehumidifier is quieter than a household refrigerator. Meanwhile, with Energy Star certification, the unit features a continuous dehumidification mode designed to keep your home at the proper humidity level 24/7 while saving you money. Innovative features and warranty. Features include an auto restart function limiting disruption due to power outages, turbo mode to increase the fan speed for maximum moisture removal, auto defrost function to prevent collected water from being frozen, and an option to run a continuous 24-hour cycle until the tank is full. Warranty, 1-year parts and labor warranty. Modern design. This dehumidifier has a clean, sleek look in order to fit the style of any home, apartment, or business. It even comes with 360 degrees rotatable wheels, a digital control panel, a built-in timer to program a schedule, and handles to easily move the dehumidifier anywhere you please with ease. Easy maintenance. Easily empty the included tank when it's full, or simply connect a standard hose, not included, to the built-in socket for gravity-fed continuous draining. When using the manual drainage, the dehumidifier will shut off automatically when the bucket is full and switch on again after the bucket empties. Meanwhile, a washable filter preserves air quality without expensive replacement parts. Our list at number 2. Frigidaire Dehumidifier, high humidity 50 pint capacity. Easy to clean washable filter, capture dust from the air and keep your dehumidifier working efficiently with our easy to clean washable filter. Custom humidity control, maximize your comfort with customized control over the amount of humidity in your room. Continuous drain option, skip emptying the water bucket, this unit continuously drains your dehumidifier so that you don't have to lift a finger. Automatic shut off, the unit shuts off automatically when the water bucket is full. Front loading bucket with carrying handle and splash guard, a water bucket is conveniently located in the front of the unit for easy access, while the carry handles and splash guard make emptying your bucket hassle-free. Portable design, easily move from room to room with caster wheels and side handles, dehumidifying your room when and where you need it. Low temperature operation, this unit is designed to operate at low temperatures down to 41 degrees Fahrenheit. Multi-speed fan, enjoy more cooling flexibility with 3 different fan speeds. Our list at number 3. LG PuriCare 50 pint pump and Wi-Fi and Black Energy Star Dehumidifier. Fashion meets functionality, our sleek, modern black case houses an efficient, reliable, and quiet portable dehumidifier that can dry your space effectively. Not only perfect for damp living spaces such as basements, bathrooms, and laundry rooms, but also for bedrooms, attics, and garages. Taking safety to the next level, our dehumidifier has all of the latest safety features available in the market, including a metal frame and external metal case that are non-flammable, glass fiber and silicone wire enclosures that are heat-resistant, airflow blockage alarm, and safety standby mode that shuts the unit down for 1 hour after 23 hours of continuous usage to prevent overheating. Power rating 115 V 60 Hz revolutionary bucket design, a convenient, completely clear, side-loading 1.7-gallon bucket gives you easy visibility of the water level. The embedded bucket cover and full-width grip handle provide a splash-free, clean, and simple emptying solution. Auto shut-off and indicator alarm alert prevent floods by alerting when the bucket is full. Packed with features, built-in pump gives you continuous drain functionality with the ability to pump water up into a sink or out a window using the included hose. Our eye-catching control panel features a large screen and bright white LEDs. Onboard automatic defrost control allows for low temperature operation, down to 41 pF. 2 fan speeds and a 12-hour timer give you the benefits of comfort while also being flexible. 2019 Energy Star qualification saves you energy and money. SmartThink compatible. Use your smartphone to start or stop your dehumidifier, monitor bucket capacity, receive alerts when full, and connect with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant for voice controls. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for more videos. Thank you for watching the video.